Okay, so let me show you inside of Bolt Publisher. Now, in order to understand what Bolt Publisher does, it's really important to understand where Instant Articles fits in. Instant Articles is a really new concept that only recently came out. Here's what HootSuite had to say about it. They were able to generate 37% increase in reach, 22% increase in shares, 83% increase in likes, and 57% increase in link clicks as a result of using Instant Articles. Now, one of the major problems that they faced was that the setup requires some technical expertise. They actually mentioned that they needed to get their developers involved in order to get their Instant Articles live. Now, what is an Instant Article and how does it work over Facebook? Now, an Instant Article is an article that loads instantly on your mobile device. Here is my phone right now. I've got this plugged into my computer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Facebook right now and show you what an Instant Article is. So we're on CNN. This is an example of an Instant Article. You'll see that bolt down the bottom right here. Now, if I click on this, you'll see it's going to load instantly. You can see the article loads immediately. Now compare that to a regular article posted on Facebook. Here is one right here. We click and it's loading the website. You'll see it's a lot slower to do that. Now, I'm on a super fast internet connection right now, but still, to load an article on a mobile device, it takes a significant amount of time. One of the main reasons that Facebook created Instant Articles was to make it super fast to load because they know that translates to more traffic. Now, as you can see, that's far slower to load this type of article than an Instant Article. Facebook created Instant Articles because it wanted a way of keeping people on Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg has talked many times about keeping people on Facebook, and because Instant Articles load immediately, it's a benefit to the publisher because the publisher will see that their article is accessed immediately. It's going to translate to more traffic. And one of the things that Facebook has been doing is favoring Instant Articles over other types of articles within the newsfeed. So there's those reasons you'd want to start an Instant Article, and you might want to start an Instant Article as well because it actually gives you the ability to add a number of different features inside of your articles that you can't really do easily on Facebook any other way. Right now, if you were to go and try to submit an Instant Article right away to Facebook, you'd have to go through these 5 steps. Now, some of them you still need to do with Bolt Publisher, but the biggest one is create a style. It's really difficult to add your Instant Articles and make sure they look really good onto Facebook. Almost impossible unless you're adding it to your blog and then importing that content into an Instant Article. The whole process requires a developer and takes a lot of time to do. Compare this to Bolt Publisher. Bolt Publisher is a really easy to use system that allows you to create your articles within this system right here, schedule them, and make them live on Facebook within a matter of minutes. All you need to do is click New Article and then name your campaign. So if you already have a Facebook page that you want to publish an Instant Article to, you can load up that page and then you'll be able to publish your Instant Articles to this page. Let's take Laptop Startup for example. If you want to generate more traffic over Facebook, you want to get more results for your posts that are inside of Facebook, outside of video, text, and image posts, Instant Articles is a great way of doing that. So let's first of all go over to Instant Article and now name our title. I've prepared a press release which I'm going to be using as the example today. And the articles you use here, you could use spun articles, you could use articles that you've pre-created. You can pay someone to create these articles, or if you're doing this for a business, they might already have informational content that they want to share. So we could say, for example, Laptop Startup launching in 3 years, in 3 years in the making, learn how to make money online. Now I'm doing for the online marketing niche, but people use these articles for publishing, for fitness articles, for tips articles, all sorts of different reasons. We add the author name, the author description, this is me, and then we can add in the publication date and time. Now the way that Instant Articles works, it's really important to schedule in the correct day that you want this article to go live. So if you say, for example, had 10 articles, you could schedule them in over the next 30 days to go live, or you could have many articles going live every single day. Now the date today is the 24th of the 10th, and that's 2016. Now right now it's on EST time. We have all different time zones available here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose right now the right time. And I'm going to go and make it for 11 a.m. That it's going to be published. Finally, you need to add in a header cover. Now this header cover is the header that will show at the top of the article. Now here's one that I prepared earlier. This instant article I loaded up from my Facebook page, and you'll see here why video marketing is the next big thing. This is the banner image that you want to import here. So you can see here that this is the image I took. If I click on this, this is the image that's used as the banner. So it's not only an advertising banner that will show in the newsfeed, but it's also a banner that fits into your instant article right up the top above where people can like, comment, and share before the content starts. So that's what this header banner is. You can create this in Usein, you can grab a random image if you want to. The dimensions can be whatever, it's going to be automatically resized, but we have some recommendations in our training of what types of banner sizes you should use when creating this image. Okay, so I've added my banner. My final step is to add which campaign I want it to belong to. Now these are based around where this is going to be submitted. So in this case, I'm going to select Justin and I'm going to be submitting under his pages and for his campaign. Okay, now we're into the editing area of the article. So click on the plus and you'll see a number of different options. One of the great things about instant articles is you can actually autoplay videos inside of your articles. You can add links, you can add Instagram links, you can add different links to other places. You can even add ads. And if you've got the upgrade, which is an upgrade feature of instant articles, you can actually add an opt-in to capture email addresses right inside of instant articles. So you can add maps, you can add videos. There really isn't any limits to what you can add into here to really bring your articles, bring your blog posts, whatever you want to be posting to life within this system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste my text in. This is what we recommend doing. Copy your text, paste it into the editor, and then you'll be able to format it from here. Okay, so here is the article that I've completed. As you can see here, I've added a number of different styles. I've changed the fonts. You can adjust your font through here. If you select any of your text, there's a number of different font sizes you can choose from. You can add URLs, you can bold font if you want to. You can add italics, change the color, and then click save or show in editor, and that's going to then result in your text being changed and looking as you want it to. I've also added in an image down the bottom here as well, and if I was dealing with a local business or something like that, I might add in a map of where that local business is. If I had an Instagram I'd like to advertise, I could add my Instagram in here as well and have Instagram images showing inside of Bolt Publisher, just like the Instagram image you're seeing on the screen right now of one of the other articles we've published. And you've got your image with audio, image with parallax image, text to background, ads, and you can even add buttons if you want to as well. Now once you've finished your article, you can edit it later on if you want to on Facebook, but if you're ready, you can go ahead and preview it, or you can click save. Now when you click save, keep in mind that once you click save, it's going to update it to Facebook. So double check your dates, make sure everything looks as it should. You can adjust these later on if you want to, and then when you're ready, click save. You'll also get a URL that looks like this, and you'll be able to update this into Facebook. Anytime you use this URL, once your scheduled article has been posted, depending on which time and date you've selected, you'll be able to use this link and add it into any of your posts in any of your updates that you do over Facebook. You can see the link here. You can add that, then remove that link and add some text if you want to here, highlighting why people should click on your article. And that's going to then mean that that instant article is published to Facebook. So when you're ready, click publish. Article has been successfully published. There you have it. That's how Bolt Publisher works. Now we've also got a calendar built in, so you can actually see your articles as they're scheduled in. You can see as the articles go live onto Facebook, and you'll be able to track which articles are going live on what particular days if you want to. Now I encourage you also to look at settings. When you go in here, you'll be able to update your logo. As you can see, depending on which page you're going to use, you'll have your logo there. You've got your time zone that's available here. And you also will need to integrate the software with your Facebook account within the integrations menu right here. Cool, this is Sam Bakker. I hope that was clear and you now understand what Bolt Publisher can do for your business. Instant Articles is very new. It's a new, really exciting update that Facebook has done, and I'm really excited to see you using it in your business. We've got full training on Instant Articles. It's a concept that's really, really new, and right now is a great time to get started because there is a big opportunity to really leverage this for more traffic and more exposure as big companies have been doing. You now have an unfair advantage. You've got a software that means that you don't need to use a developer, and you've got a really good opportunity to take this to businesses and help them as well.